हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्मोकी राइडर। जो अभी नाम चेंज करके मैंने कर दिया ऑनियन स्मोकी। तो आज मैं अभी आया हूँ BMW का OSL प्रेस्टीज शोरूम में, जो अभी नया कोलकाता में खुला है। तो अभी जस्ट रिसेंटली हम लोग को पता है कि BMW का जो बाइक लॉन्च हुआ है, जो है BMW GS 310 और 310R। तो अभी BS6 में बहुत कुछ एक्साइटिंग फीचर्स आया है, बहुत कुछ एक्साइटिंग कलर स्कीम्स आया है। तो अभी सब बात करेंगे। तो अभी मैं बताता हूँ मिस्टर अभिषेक जायसवाल। हेलो, ही इज द सेल्स हेड ऑफ BMW OSL Prestige. He'll now explain all the features.
Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Jaiswal, and I look after the OSL Motorrad Kolkata sales. And today I would like to introduce two of the new arrivals, BMW G310R and G310 GS BS6 editions. And these bikes has launched with an amazing price tag and with some exciting features. Now let me tell you what are the differences compared to BS4. So the very first difference which you can notice, the new paint scheme, right? This comes with a new paint scheme with a red alloy wheel, red trellis frame, along with a new limestone color. It's a new limestone metallic color introduced in BS6 edition. Now let's come up with the features. As you can see, this bike has got a adjustable brake lever and the clutch lever, which was not available in BS4 edition. Now this bike comes with LED headlight along with a LED DRL. This one is the LED DRL, and as soon as I will crank the bike, as you have seen, it comes with LED headlight along with LED DRL. Without any doubt, BMW Motorrad has maintained their minimum benchmark, their standard. They have never compromised with the standard. New alloy wheel with a red color. New LED indicators. Again, as per BMW standard, BMW has not compromised again with their standard. Now this bike has got ride-by-wire features, slipper clutch, and now BMW 310R and 310 GS both has been introduced with a new ECU which we use in our big bikes. So now these two bikes has a customized ECU which makes the bike more refined, more tuned up, and a very smooth power delivery. Now 310 GS, again with a new paint scheme. We call it a rally color, a rally edition. Comes with a LED DRL along with the LED headlight, LED indicators. Tires in both the bikes, if you notice, these tires are tubeless radial tires. One come with 17-inch and the other comes with 19-inch. Now let me tell you, these Michelin and Metzeler tires are imported from Thailand and Indonesia. It's not manufactured in India. So this is again a best part, that we are not using a local made tires. Now if you look at the 310 GS, the tank shape is slightly changes with a red trellis frame, new paint scheme. Even the engine part is also black. Previously it was in silver color, now it's also coming in black color in 310 GS and as well as in 310R both. BMW has kept the upside down fork in a golden color. Now let me tell you the exciting part which nobody expected, and even we were not expecting that the price would be something like this. The price for G310R starts from 2,45,000 ex-showroom, and the price for G310 GS starts from 2,85,000 ex-showroom, which comes at a very reasonable on-road price, at a very exciting on-road price. So I would request you visit our showroom, have a look on these bikes, take a test drive, feel the difference, and then decide. I hope you will definitely like these bikes. Thank you. For you guys, let me crank the engine, and so that you can get to know how is the exhaust note now.
थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग।
Thank you.
तो एक्चुअली कल हम लोग का शोरूम का लॉन्च है और फिर बाइक का भी लॉन्च है। कोई अगर आ सकता है तो आ सकता है, जो नियर बाई कोलकाता में रहता है। फॉर मोर डिटेल्स विल गाइड यू द लोकेशन, एंड मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में इनका नंबर और शोरूम का नंबर और जो डिटेल्स है एड्रेस सब मैं मेंशन कर दूंगा। तो हैंड ओवर टू मिस्टर अभिषेक अगेन।
Yes, our showroom is near city center to New Town, ground floor of Hotel People Tree. So if you are coming from towards airport, so just after the Chinakpur crossing, you will find our showroom on the right hand side. Or if you are coming through New Town, just after the city center too, it will be on the left side. Okay. Hotel People Tree, you can find it in a Google as well. Just at the ground floor of Hotel People Tree, our showroom is there. It's a brand new showroom. It's a brand new setup, right? Tomorrow we will start the event from 10 a.m. in the morning, and it will go till 6 a.m. So जो भी इस बाइक को देखना चाहते हैं, अच्छे से इसका फीचर्स देखना समझना चाहते हैं, आप हमारे शोरूम आ सकते हैं। कल से ये बाइक यहीं पे रहेगी डिस्प्ले में। जैसा कि मैंने बोला, न्यू टाउन सिटी सेंटर के पास होटल पीपल ट्री ग्राउंड फ्लोर। याद रखिएगा, आइए यहाँ पे, वी आर रेडी टू वेलकम यू ऑलवेज। थैंक यू।